Namaskar, I am Garv Shah and you are watching School Tech News Channel. As of Thursday, January 16, 2025, wildfires in Los Angeles country have caused extensive damage, making a historic moment with their unprecedented scales and destruction over past 9 days. 7 separate fires have scorched more than 62 miles of land, an area larger than San Francisco and nearly double the size of Manhattan.
Two largest fires, the Eaton and the Palisades fires, have become some of the most devastating wildfires in California's history, breaking records and underscoring the region's susceptibility to extreme conditions. The Eaton fire has already consumed 14,117 acres, destroying over 7,000 structures.
This fire has rapidly ascended to become the second most destructive wildfire in California record history, following the notorious 2018 Camp Fire in Northern California, which burned 153,336 acres and obliterated 18,804 structures. The human toll has been served as well, with least 16 deaths become investigated in relation to the blaze, making the 50th deadliest wildfire in the state's history.
The fire continues to rage, though it is currently 55% contained, with firefighters working tirelessly to mitigate further damage and loss of life. The Palisades fire, which has burned 23,713 acres and destroyed over 5,000 structures in another significant blaze, causing destruction in the area.
It ignited the wealthy oceanfront community of Pacific Palisades and has since become fourth most destructive wildfire in the state. While containment has improved to 22%, the fire still poses a serious threat to nearby communities. As of Thursday, 9 deaths have been confirmed in connection with Paradise Fire, making it the 14th deadliest wildfire in California history.
The combined destructive force of both fires has left Los Angeles country in shock. In total, the Eaton and Palisades fires have devastated an area roughly equivalent to 2/3 of Los Angeles Memorial Coliseum, one of the largest football stadiums in the United States.
Meanwhile, FEMA is reporting that it has received more than 53,000 applications for emergency disaster aid. About 80,000 people remain under mandatory evacuation. Fire victims like Zaire Calvin of an Altadena, whose sister Evelyn McLaren perished in a blaze that burned down their family home, shudder to think of another blaze like the Eaton fire igniting. This is for a day. Keep watching School Tech News Channel. Namaskar.